Hi, my name is Scott the Miniature Maniac, and today we're continuing our blind touch test video series with Age of Sigmar. Before we do that, let me briefly mention this video sponsor, which is Squarespace, a wonderful place to make a beautiful website and run your business. What up, mini family? Today I'm joined by John for this challenge, and you may remember the 40K one we did a couple months ago. And in that video, we made it easy on ourselves. We gave ourselves a list of options to pick from, and this time we're changing it up to make it harder.
That's right, we're making it a little bit harder this time. We will not have multiple choice options. It will be a complete shot in the dark for our guesses. We are gonna have 10 rounds of current Age of Sigmar range models. You get 1 point if you get the faction correct, and you get a second point if you get the unit name correct. And then at the end, we're gonna have a couple of bonus rounds for Scott to have a chance to catch up.
What are your predictions here?
I am gonna crush you. Round one.
Time to don these incredibly tight things that you got out of your car.
Yep.
I mean, this is a professional shoot here. We didn't have any blindfolds prepared, so John had to scrounge something out of his vehicle.
These are what I use when I rob banks.
I'm just happy there's no gloves this time.
I'm so happy because I'm so tactilely inclined, and those things were just like 7 condoms.
Do you put that on your resume, tactilely inclined?
I haven't yet, but now I will. Oh, it's like pushing my eyeballs into my skull.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna have inverted eyes when this is over. So, we only have one model per round this time, and John's getting it first. So if he wins, I'm just gonna say that it was an advantage. Do you have any idea? No?
Shh, don't talk to me.
He's focusing right now, he can't speak. Oh boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh boy. This is gonna be so much harder than last time, dude.
It's so hard.
All right, I need your answers for the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Night
Haunt.
Deepkin.
You are both incorrect.
Not a night haunt?
So do we even go to the next
Yeah, I
part?
guess if you don't get the faction right, you can't even guess.
Okay, so John and I are both wrong, so let's take the blindfold off and see what it actually was. Oh, it's the Beastgrave. So it's an Ungor Beastman.
Gosh.
You look so ugly right now, dude.
You look so weird too.
It squishes your brow line down.
You and I are like the Cro-Magnon version of each other right now.
We've made the mini. Round 2.
I was told this one should be easier.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Yeah.
Dan's behind the camera right now, orchestrating which miniatures.
We're guessing. Dan supplied the miniatures.
So if this video doesn't work out, it's Dan's fault, essentially.
Dan, pick better minis. Ones that I know.
Man, this is really hard. Get the fuck out of here.
Dude, your 15 seconds are on the clock.
This is really hard. I feel like I feel a familiar curve. I really don't know, though. Okay, am I done?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'm between two things right now.
Where did you put it?
Yeah, you didn't put it in his hand.
Oh, okay.
I gotta find it.
Okay.
Your time is burning right now, John.
Dude.
The first part of the challenge is finding the miniature on the desk. Do you feel a familiar curve?
Don't talk to me.
Look, John just can't speak while he's...
This is hard as shit. I can't...
Oh, man. In before, we both get 0 points. John, walk me through it right now.
I can't tell if it's mounted on something.
Okay, I'm going to give you a freebie. It is definitely not mounted on something. And if it is, it's small.
Okay.
I need your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Slaves to Darkness.
Stormcast.
It was that or that.
Okay, what'd you say, John?
Stormcast.
I said Slaves to Darkness.
Stormcast Eternals.
Okay, John is correct. John gets to guess the model
Wait,
itself.
do I get to guess?
No.
Because...
You got it wrong.
I know, but like, now that I know I knew it was one of those two. It was a beefy boy.
What do you think, John?
It's a Liberator.
No.
What do I think? It's a Liberator. No, he doesn't get to guess.
Oh, that's what I was
If you get the first one right, you unlock the ability to get another one right to further your lead.
Yes.
I guess.
Sure.
John, you are correct. You have 2 points.
You want to know why I knew what this was?
Did you feel it? I felt the shield. I
It
felt the
was
shield.
feeling the shield and the hammer. This exact model was the first miniature I ever painted in my life.
Okay, there's a little bit of a home field advantage here. John, the blindfold's off right now, buddy.
Oh, sorry.
It's very bright in here.
Yes, that exact model.
I felt the shield. That was the familiar curve.
I thought it was like riding a horse, and I was like feeling the cloak back there.
Okay, John pulls ahead to an early lead 2-0. I think it's time for an ad.
I don't have a personal gallery for my miniature painting art, so when Squarespace reached out to me to sponsor a video, I took this as an opportunity to use their platform to build a dedicated gallery for myself. A gallery like this is useful for a number of reasons. For those who don't know what miniature painting is, I'm looking at you, Aunt Amy. This shows them in a succinct, beautiful way. Importing images and dealing with alignment is made easy, and all the while creating a website that just looks awesome. It's important that your gallery show your work while also being functional and beautiful itself. If I need to see a bigger resolution of this miniature so I can see the creamy blends, it's as simple as double clicking. If you want to save some fat stacks on making a miniature art gallery for yourself, head to squarespace.com/Miniac to save 10% off of your first purchase of a website or domain using the code Miniac at checkout.
Round 3.
How did I not get Stormcast, like the poster boys of
All right,
Age of
John.
Sigmar?
Oh, but it's tiny. Dude, don't mess with my time.
How cold are my hands right now, bro?
They're like gross. I don't have any concept of scale. Like, I don't know if something is tall or short right now.
All right, hand it over.
Okay, fine. Take your stupid little thing.
Okay, I know what this is.
You're positive already?
Yeah.
Okay, I need the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Gloomspite gets.
All right, since John got it wrong, I guess. What's the model?
Okay, so I'm saying this is a Zarbag Zitz. Zarbag's, is it Gets? Zarbag Gets box for Nightfall Underworlds. That's what I'm saying.
It's a little more simple than that.
Oh, fuck me. Okay. All right, blindfolds off. What do we got here?
It's the same thing.
It's,
the basic
God,
it's what that stuff is.
well, what is the name of this thing?
It's
though?
Grotz.
It's just
Yeah,
Grotz?
it's a Grotz.
Plan Grotz technique.
Round 4. What do you think? What do you think?
I mean, it's bigger than the last one.
Okay.
One of those kind of work.
It's a meteor.
Okay, I think I know what it is. I'm gonna hand it off to you, buddy.
That was fast.
I'm fast.
Okay.
All right. I'll need the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Slaves to Darkness.
You are both correct. All right.
Okay.
And the model in 3, 2, 1.
Chaos Warrior.
You are both correct.
Woo! Blind high five. Blind high five.
You cheater.
Yes!
He's not even blind. You took his blindfold off. And you still sucked at doing it.
Oh yeah, buddy. That is. Look at that. Look at that pose.
I could see how you thought that was the other
dudes.
one.
He's just like, yeah, they're both kind of meaty, thick guys with shields. I think what gave it away for me was I felt the mace. And I was like, okay, I got a shield, I got a
horn.
mace, and these thick, oh yeah, the horns
The
too.
shield and the horns. I was like,
Yeah.
aha. Round 5.
All right, John's getting this one first. John, walk me through what you're feeling right now.
I'm feeling a sculpted base.
Like emotionally, not literally.
oh, I feel on top of the world.
That's good, that's good.
I know I'm gonna win.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna eat chicken tendies after this.
I mean, yeah. When we're all gonna eat chicken tendies.
Yeah.
It's like, like in soccer, like when you lose, you still get the prize.
Take
Yeah, that's what's happening right now.
this stupid model.
Okay.
You're gonna need a participation ribbon.
Ooh, okay.
Oh,
All right.
you ready?
I got it.
All right. The faction in 3, 2, 1.
Disciples of Zinch.
Scott is correct.
Boom, baby! All right. This feels good.
I call in a judge.
What do you mean? It either is or it isn't.
Yeah, well, I think I'm right.
You think you're right? Okay, and since I'm the one guessing for second round, I think that it is. This is the hard part. Are you touching me right now?
I'm looking for the model.
Get out of here, dude. This is my
Yeah,
round. This is my round.
You go on with you.
The problem is there's two of these things and they're kind of similar size. But I'm gonna guess it's a blue horror.
You're right.
No! Point ahead.
Round 6.
I've been told this one is a little bit fragile. We're going to take it off the base.
Oh, okay, so there's no base with this one.
Oh, Lord.
That was my whole plan.
My whole base strategy is thrown out the window.
I feel like the fact that it's fragile and had to be removed from the base is a hint.
Fragile. It had to be removed from the base. Okay, so it's
Okay.
something.
Okay. I don't think any more touching is really gonna help me.
Is it still fragile without the base?
I'm gonna give it to you. Yes.
What the fuck?
Wow, you just caressed me very gingerly. I kind of like this, only having one model, because then we have to like touch each other. It's hard to know what's up and what's down when there's no base. So it's like, am I feeling a foot right now or a face? I don't actually know.
Face.
All right. I need the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Hedonites of Slaanesh.
Darkness. Slaves of Darkness.
You are both incorrect.
I thought it was one of those marauders.
I thought it was like a dancy Slaanesh lady.
Okay. It's a
Oh, it was the Night and Deepkin.
no!
Round 7. Dude, rub your eyeballs
No, don't
on
do
top
that.
of your mask. It's
Stop.
really weird. You can feel like the sphere of your eyeball.
Scott,
Yeah?
come on.
What? Why am I being sculpted like a child right now?
When I was young, I acted like a child. Oh my goodness.
Thought like a child. Wait, isn't it my turn?
No, I'm going first.
Okay, I have my hands out like an idiot.
Oh Lord, I have no idea what I'm feeling
I
here.
feel like that's kind of the theme for the last couple of rounds here.
This is.
All right, John, you got to pass it over.
No, fine.
Whoa, okay, it's a big boy.
Yeah, that's.
All right, come on, you know what this is.
Something.
You know what this is. Ah!
Don't break it. Break it and you lose automatically. No points. No points for you.
I agree with that rule.
Okay, fine. I know what this is.
Okay.
I feel like I know what it is.
I need the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Night Haunt.
You are both correct.
Okay, now this is when it gets hard.
Scott, stop feeling it.
Oh,
Yeah, you cheater.
I mean, I can't. I don't know the names of any of those things.
I know there's certain things I'm looking for and I cannot.
Are you touching it right now?
No, I'm not touching it. Where is it? I'm gonna touch it.
Okay.
Okay, I need the exact model in 3, 2, 1.
Lord Executioner.
No.
That's the only model I know. Which one is it? Oh, it's the guy with the big sword.
Oh, Revenant. I didn't feel the sword. All I felt was the damn chains. Well, I didn't lose any more ground there. I feel like I should have been able to gain ground there because I own those models. Round 8.
Hit me with your best shot. I want to hit me with your best shot. Thank you. Oh.
Are you a bird person?
It's tiny.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Tell me more. What are you thinking? What are you...
Tell me more. I'm not gonna tell you more.
I like how John looks at it with his eyes, but he can't see anything. Okay, faction in 3, 2, 1.
Gloomspite gets.
That is correct.
Heck yeah, it is.
All right.
I felt that pointy hat.
Okay, wait. No, I gotta think about what the hell is the name of their other things.
We got this.
Okay. The model in 3, 2, 1.
Goblin Archer.
Yeah, the archer dudes.
Oh,
It's got a bow.
okay, guy. He didn't have an answer for that.
Yes, I did. I knew it was. I was gonna say archer because I didn't know what else there is.
The exact answer is Moon Clan Archer.
Do we get a point for that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Half point?
We get a point
Just
because
do
we
a
both
point.
got it.
I know.
get a point?
He said Archer.
too.
He said
Let me hear
Archer.
my answer.
Dude, you could only hear your own voice. You don't even hear anything else.
No, we're not talking about what I can hear. We're talking about what you can hear.
Well, we'll play back the tape and we saw that I both said archer.
Okay.
Round 9. Jeez, this is...
Hold on, let me guess. You have no idea what it is. Am I right?
Correct.
You feeling the familiar
I know what it is.
Whoa, calm down there.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
aggressive.
I know what it is.
We're dealing with minute. Okay. That's a thing. Oh, you're confident? You know what it is?
Yeah, I don't know what the unit is though, but I know the faction.
Okay. I feel a very specific kind of blade right now.
Okay. I need the answer for the faction.
Please, I don't know. I don't know.
In 3, 2, 1.
Skaven Overlords.
John is correct.
It's a Carrigan Overlord? Okay, I'm going to take my blindfold off because you still got to guess.
Dude,
Dude, how did you get this?
he's a short, squat dude. He's holding a pistol in one hand.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I have no idea.
It's an
Arcanaut.
Yeah.
It's an Arcanaut?
Yeah.
Shoot!
We are tied up, buddy, at 8-8.
All right, let me look at my glory.
You're glorious.
Okay.
Dude, we are tied going into round 10. You can't make this up. Well, you can make it up. You definitely could write this.
We could have made this up. Round 10. What if we're tied going into a bonus time?
Bonus time? Oh, a little kiss from the wife. A little good luck kiss on the receding hairline. That's a bonus right there.
I need a crushy kiss. Come here, crushy.
I don't know what this is.
Good, that's what I like to hear.
It feels like nothing. It feels like a mound.
Can you imagine trying to do this with the gloves on?
Feels like a mound with a... I mean, I'm not going to say anything.
Are you messing with me, Dan?
I think Dan's messing with us.
Yeah, all right, I'm ready.
Okay. The faction in 3, 2, 1.
Gloomspite gets...
I need the model in 3, 2, 1.
Squig.
You are both correct.
Time going into the bonus round.
Oh, look at that little duder. Bonus round 1.
Yeah. This one's also fragile. It's only tacked to the base.
Okay.
I'm going to break off the base and throw it across
What
the room.
if
before I
for the
get to-
bonus rounds you have to bet your points? You know, I bet
Oh,
3 of
is
my
it
points.
No.
Okay. There you go, Scott.
All right. After a silent round of deliberation.
Yeah, I hope you... I was just trying to keep the blue tack on the whole time.
Okay. Okay.
He took it off? That's cheating.
I'm holding it by the model and it fell off.
Okay, let's check the tape on that.
Okay. I need the faction
I hope I'm right.
in 3, 2, 1.
Stormcast Eternals.
You are both correct.
Okay. I don't know the name of this thing though.
I do.
No! Can I call it a funny name? I need to know the name. That's part of the game. Okay.
Okay. The name in 3, 2, 1.
Thunderhawk
Griffhound.
dog.
John is correct.
Whoa! Whoa, baby!
I knew it was that dumb bird dog. I knew it was the bird dog.
Bonus round 2.
I feel like I'm gonna get this in my hand and I'm gonna immediately know whether I've won or not.
I don't have any confidence when that mini hits my hand and I first feel it. I'm just like, I don't know any idea what this is.
Oh man, what? Dan, you bastard.
God, I hope it's the hardest thing ever.
Okay, maybe I get the faction, but I ain't getting the name of the model. That's for damn sure.
Are you done? Is he done? I think he should be done.
No, he has like 2 seconds.
You got 2 seconds. 1, 2. Give me the model.
Good luck, bro.
I can't even find it because you don't give it to me.
I'm touching you, man. Like, figure it out. Put it together.
What the crap is this?
Okay. I need the faction in 3, 2, 1.
Skaven.
You're both incorrect.
Even better. What is it?
Oh.
What the fuck is that?
What is that? I have no idea. Oh, it's another fucking goblin. God damn it. Oh.
It's a 6-legged goblin Spider-Man.
All right, the ending score for that was 12-14. Congratulations, John, for winning that round. Who won last time?
I don't even remember.
It doesn't matter. If you like John, which odds are you probably don't,
No.
you can find his channel linked in the description below. He's on YouTube at Ninjon. He has a bunch of awesome painting tutorials on YouTube. I can't do this, man. All right, if you like the channel and you want to support it, there are many ways you can do that. All things linked in the description below. Subscriber time! But most importantly, don't forget to pay more minis!
Hey, very nice. How much?
2 bonus rounds. That's that. That's a wrap. All right.
Good video, everybody.
Lunchtime.
Round 3.
Again.
Round
8.
7.
Oh my gosh. You don't know how to count.
Shut up.
You having a stroke?
Yeah.
That's just a voiceover, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because you look very unhappy.
I mean, I am.
He was trying to think of numbers.
Yeah, I was like, how do you
He
count
cannot
again?
multitask.
I forgot.
My confidence is going down by the moment.
And then so Amber, you can ask for. Okay, I need. God damn it, John. I was just like, I could feel the stutter. I could feel the idiot coming out.